So how to fix center network credentials? Click on Start menu, type Control Panel. Here, view by category, select small or large icons, and click on Network and Sharing Center. In here, you should click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. In a new window, you need to find all networks and expand it. So here you need to click on Password Protection Sharing. Make sure to switch it off and close it. So close the window. Next step, what you can try to do is click on Start menu and type here Local Security Policy. Click on it, and in a new window, find Local Policies, expand it, Security Options, expand it, click on it. And here you need to find Limit Local Account Use of Blank Passwords to Console Logon Only. Double click it, and make sure it's enabled. So click on it, click on Apply, OK, and close the window. So last what you can do is click on the Start menu, type Settings. Here you need to click on Network and Internet, and scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Scroll it and find Network Reset. So click on Network Reset Now. So reset now, confirm, make sure to click yes. And after that, close the window and restart your computer. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.